Hey YouTube, what's up? Today we're going to talk about this band, which I think is the best, toughest, longest lasting leather band ever made, and it's the original cuff strap band from Hadley, Roma. I've had this new band for, I don't know, maybe a year or so. I bought it to replace the original band. That's what I paid for it, plus tax, although you can probably get a little better deal on it, but even at this price or even more, this band is well worth the money, and I'm going to tell you why in just a moment. It's on this watch, which I bought used, and it's in pristine condition after 6 years, namely because of this band. And this band may be not in pristine condition after almost 6 years of daily wear. That's Monday through Friday at work. The band is still workable. It's still usable. It's still good. I could, probably take this nice watch off of it and put a beater watch on it and still use it to paint stuff and do whatever, mix cement and any kind of dirty kind of work I want to do with it. But it's still good. It's still usable after 6 years. And you'd be hard pressed to have a leather band that can last so long. But as far as damage to this wear goes, the buckle is really good. No signs of wear there. These screws, you can see some wear on here if I hold it on a close-up. They're brass. The coating on there, I don't know if it was a nickel finish or some kind of satin finish, has worn off. Same thing on the back, and there's a little bit of corrosion in there. The back of the band, you can see, is actually starting to crack. Let's see if you can get a good look at that. See, it's starting to crack there. And all that you can see on the front, now this is after 6 years of wear, some of the stitching has come apart, broken up, and you can see the obvious wear. But for a band that's 6 years old, that's been in the rain, in the snow, in the heat of summer, sweating on it for 6 years of almost daily wear, it's in remarkable good condition. And you can get a lot more expensive bands, which I've had, leather bands, and typically, after 2 years or year and a half, depending on how I wear them, they need to be replaced. But what I really want to show you is the condition of the watch. And what's so nice about having a cuff leather band is because it's wider, the watch does not sit on your wrist. So when you have like a painted finish like this, or even a black ionized finish, after a while the acids on your skin will start to break the paint down or break the finish down. This finish is perfect. I bought this watch used. They go for about $300, but I bought this watch used, not running. It needed a battery for $88, and it looks like brand new because of this band. And I think from now on, any band that I have or any watch that I have, I'm going to put a Hadley Roma on it if I want to wear it for daily wear. But we're going to replace it. We're going to take this band off. I'm going to put the new band on. As you can see, these screws, there's 3 different holes. This band will accommodate a variety of different size watches. It's on the widest setting right now for both sides, but you have some flexibility. And I think even on the new band, I think this watch is either 19 or 20, but here's the new band. And it came with some extras. I don't know if these are wider or thinner at the moment. But I'm going to put this together and we'll see how it looks with the new band. But absolutely a terrific band. You guys have to check this out. The Hadley Romas. Terrific band. It will fit a variety of watches. Looks great. Lasts a long, long, long time. You'll get your money back out of this. It's a terrific band. I can't say more than enough good things about it. But anyway, let's start taking the screws off and putting the new band on, and we'll go from there. Okay, I got another screwdriver. I'm going to place it on the back screw. Try to set it down like this. A little precarious doing it this way, but I think it's doable. Let's see if that works. Come on. Does not want to cooperate. Got it. Okay. So if you see this, so here's like the one little screw. The other screw is not really a screw, but it's more like a receptor, even though you have two screw heads on both sides, and the one screws into the other like that. Anyway, okay, so we got the watch loose on one side. Super groovy. Let's do the same to the other side. Here we go. Ouch! That wasn't fun. Let's try it again. I think we got it. Here we go. Come on. Yep, we got it. Very nice. Just gonna twist this off. Okay, there it is. So now we're going to replace these, obviously, even though they look pretty good. We'll put the new ones on. I don't know what size these are. They might be 19 or 20 millimeter width. Alright, we're just going to eyeball the new ones on here. And yeah, that seems to be okay. How about these? These are probably 18s that are on there. Yeah, these are too small. Okay, so we're going to put these on. This one and this one. Put the screws out of the way, and we're just going to do this like we normally would do on a regular watch band. I just got to find a little tool here. Let's see. Alright, here we go. Let's try the other side. It's not cooperating. No luck. Oh, got it. Alright. Let's do the other side. Nope. I don't want to wreck it. Okay, there we go. There it is. Look at the condition of this watch. Look at the back of the watch. See that? Looks like brand new. And there's like a little scratch there from, opening up the back cover, but you can see there's no oxidation, no real deterioration on the back of the watch. And that's what's a nice thing about these wider cuff bands. They really protect your watch. And obviously I've been careful with this watch not to scratch up my crystals. So basically your watch looks better, longer, and that actually helps resale value, especially if you're looking. How many of you have been online looking for a used watch, and they're all scratched up and beat up, and this will really protect your watch quite a bit, especially from your skin, oils and acids from your skin from breaking this down. And the watch looks great. I'd say it's in excellent condition or great condition. But it's nice to have a watch you could have for years and years and years, and it looks good year after year. Doesn't look beat up. Unless you like that, you know. You like the character of something that's all scratched up and destroyed, but I don't know. I like to keep my stuff looking as nice as possible, but that's just me. All right, let's put the new ones on. Out with the old. And you can tell after a while the leather gets it's just kind of softer. The new leather is much stiffer, actually. So let's put one through here. Come on. No success that way. Let's try it this way. Push it through. Beautiful. Let's get the other one. Like that. Just push it through. Up. There it is. Okay. And this should be fairly easy to pop this through. Let's see what side I want for both sides so they match. Okay, I kind of like that. Looks like the back side. You can tell by the stitching, this kind of looks like it's the front side. And then that's the back side right there. Okay, great. So one's going on like this, one's going on like that. Okay, here we go. Okay, one's on. Let's get the other one on. It's going like that. It's our orientation. Okay, one's in. Let's squeeze that back. Bingo! Here we go. That's pretty quick. And we'll take these off. Now I don't know if the new bands, you know, will come with either 18 or 20. They just might come with one particular size just to save on money, but that's okay. That's not much of a problem. We'll take these off the same way. You know, sometimes I think it might be easier to just use a little pliers on the back of this. Oh, there we go, we got it. I think we got it. Yeah, come on. Yeah, we got it. Look at that. Again, see the 3 sizing holes? That'll accommodate a variety of watch widths, watch sizes. So that's what's really nice about this. Pretty much any watch you have your favorite watch. Pop it on here and let's see if I can just push it out real hard and see if we can loosen it. Yeah, they're not put on that tight from the factory. And there we go. Okay, so let's see where this is going to fit in here. Probably the widest setting. Yep. So we're gonna come in from this side, from the back side, and put one of these screws with the holes in it with the threads. Fit one in here. And the widest hole. See that? We'll do that on the other side. Look at that, extra primo good. So we got one here and one here. We're going to attach one. Man, come on, man. Not having any luck here. There we go. Let's try it again. Hey, once you get these in here though, it'll be 6 years before you have to take them off, so just keep that in mind. There we go. I think we got it here. Ah, no! Doesn't this Watchband know I'm trying to make a video here, man? Come on. Now let's try with the bigger one. We can get it to fit in there. There it is. Okay, let's try that again. This is a lot more complicated than I thought. Years later, we have achieved success. Finicky little buzzard, aren't you? Okay, let's try it this way. I'm going to try holding it with my hand and then try turning it from the back side and see if that works. Oh, I think we're achieving a little better success here this way. See, it's not always easy as seen on TV. There we go. Ah, got it. I think that's the way to go. Alright, that's on temporarily. So, let's get the other one on now. Pop that one in like that, and we'll do it this way just like we did before. We just hold it with our finger. And, oh yeah, why couldn't I do that at the start of the video? You guys would have thought, wow, this guy's a genius. But, hey, we learn as we go. So there it is, guys. That's the brand new Hadley Roma Watchband. This is the old one. You can see it's a little toasted from wear, but then again, this is 6 years of wear on a leather band, and it still works. So if you like that weather-worn, beat-up, distressed look, this is the band to get. It'll protect your watch, feel super comfortable. You can wear it all day long, as I have. It'll take a lot of abuse. It'll protect your watch, and it'll look good. But thought, hey, it's time for a change. Let's give this watch a little bit of an upgrade. I just noticed one thing though. I installed this upside down. As the 12 o'clock should go to the buckle. That's the way I like to wear it. So I'm going to redo that. But hey, Hadley Roma. Check it out. Get one for your watch. You'll love it, especially if you want to wear it every day. Leather band that'll last you. Get your money's worth out of it. Hey, check it out. Look at that. That looks sharp. I know it's upside down, but hey, it looks really good. Oh, it's nice having a new band. After 6 years, look at this. This is great. You know what? I'm going to pick me up some more of these bands. You got to try one. It'll last forever. You'll love it.